Now I will be going to talk about sets. So sets can also store element of different data type. The only difference is they are unordered. Unordered means suppose that at first time it is printing index like 1 2 3 4. If you run it second time, it may print like 4 3 2 1. So indexing is not supporting in the case of set. And one more thing is it does not allow duplicate values. So these are the properties of sets. Third thing, it is represented using curly brackets. So let me write one set here. My set is equals to 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if I print here my set, you can see the duplicates value are not allowed here. It is just eliminated that. Next, you cannot apply indexing here. So if I try to apply indexing, let us say my set here is -1. And if I running this out, you can see it is throwing me an error like set object is not subscriptable. Means there is no concept of indexing in set. Now, there are few operations you can apply on set. For example, you can add an item to the set. So what you have to do, you just have to write my underscore set dot add and your item name. Let us say zone. So it will add zone to any arbitrary position. So here you can see zone is now added. Now if you want to update any element, so you can also do that. So for example, let us say this is my set. Let me make another set and let me change some value like 60. And if I want to update the my set, so what I can do, my set dot update my set 2. So this will update the elements. Now you can remove an item from the set with the help of something called as discard method. So we can write my set dot discard and here you can write your element like 10. So it will discard the element, or you can say remove the element. You can clear the things also by using just clear method, my set dot clear, and it will clear the elements. If you want to check if any element is present in set or not, in that case you can use something called as in operator. So you can write print like zone. Always remember that Python is a case sensitive language. So zone in my set 2. And you can see it is giving me true. Next, we have few operations in sets. Let us talk about that. So let me give it a heading. Set operations. So first operation we have is something called as union. So union means collection of unique element. So let us say I have this set 1 like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And in set 2, I have 50, 60, 70, 80. When I going to perform union like set 1 dot union set 2, it will remove all the duplicate values. Like 50 is repeated multiple times, so it will take only one time here. So this is the union operation. You can also use this symbol also, set 1, set 2. So this is the symbol of union. It will give you the same result. Second operation we have is something called as intersection. So let me just write it out, intersection. Intersection means the common element. So if I write set 1 dot intersection set 2, it will give me the common element which is 50. Okay, here I have to write set 2. You can see it is 50. The symbol for set is basically ampersand. So this is the symbol for performing intersection. Next we have something called as frozen set. Frozen set. So what happened here is if the elements is assigned, it cannot be changed. So once assigned, it cannot be changed. So let us say if I have written A is equals to frozen set 10, 20, 30, and let me just write B is equals to frozen set 30, 40, 50. And if I want to add any element in this A dot add 4. So what it will do, it will throw me an error. Like frozen set has no attribute add. So once you define the element in a frozen set, the values cannot be get changed. So this is all about set data type in Python.